Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna review the foldable mini drone by Avialogic, and this is it. Okay, this Avialogic foldable drone, it's very nice casing, and actually the whole thing is the remote control. It's very interesting design, which is the bevel, and then it comes also with the spare blades, charger, USB charger, the propeller guard, and the screw, Phillips screwdriver. Very interesting design, because usually the one I do own before, the compact ones, there's no place to put these accessories. Though it's nice that you can put everything in. It's good thing that the remote control itself has the compartment for all of these, because these can easily be misplaced or missed. So yeah, this is very nice idea. So right now I'm gonna take those remote control stick, and this one is basically attaching it to the control. So you just push it in, and that's it. You're all set. So taking this drone out is very simple. Just take this bolt tab, and then can now remove the drone. So the drone is foldable, so it's very easy. Okay. Power button is on this side. Just simply press this and it will turn on. You can see the light, and then the charging, the charging port. Okay. So this drone has this feature which called the spin and the headless mode, altitude mode, and it's auto takeoff and auto land. This one also like a 3-speed mode. So which are this buttons here, right here, and then this one are for the trims. If you are actually there's an emergency stop on this one, just in case you want to stop it, just in case it will crash to somebody. You just simply press this stop button here, and that's pretty much simple and easy. So I actually had about 8 minutes flight time for this, and of course this is brand new, so the battery is still good. With depending also on the wind condition, if you're doing indoors, no problem. I can take about 8 minutes outdoor. If there's like a little bit of wind, I will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so to bind this drone, is simply you just turn on the drone, press the power on, and the power on for this remote, it's on the bottom or inside of it. So you just simply turn it on, and you're gonna hear a beep noise, and that means it's already been paired. So to turn on the propeller or the drone, on the manual it says push the boat stick against the charger on the bottom, but I do found that easiest way to do it is slide the left stick up and down and let it go, and that's it. Instead, that's much easier. So I just found that out by accident, so hopefully that helps make it much easier. So instead of 2 stick, you just simply use this left stick. What I don't like about this remote control is the battery compartment. It is, I spent too much time on taking the battery out. Would be nice if there is a pull tab string on this, so you can easily take the battery out if you need to replace it. About this is, this the fact that you can put everything in one on this compartment. So the blade or the propeller, the prop, nice to have prop protector, so it doesn't ruin your props when it crash. And so this one cannot go wrong, no brainer. Put the screw here, and that one goes here. Okay, to sum up my review for this foldable mini drone, this drone is very, very compact, and it's all in everything. It comes with accessory, and the fact that everything is it has its own compartment, that's really great. And this is well built, mini drone. It's loaded with features which you normally get from the standard drone. On the minutes, what you can get, it's pretty much high for the minutes. Like, you can fly 8 minutes, tops. Unlike the other small drones, maybe because of the size and the battery on this one, I do get at least 8 minutes, but they specify this one to 9 up to 9 minutes, but depending on the wind condition. So if you're doing outside or indoor, it depends on that. The charging time is around 15 to 30 minutes per charge. So other than that, it's foldable design, it's nice design. Packaging, everything is good, well packaged. For that, I'll give this I'll take 1 star off on this, so I'll give 4 star out of 5 because of those things that I don't like, or I would say it needs some improvement for next release version. For the battery, just put a pull string tab so you can easily remove the battery. And then the stick, or the remote control stick, it's easily get off. Maybe it's me, but so that one would be nice. It's much sturdier when you attach it, and it doesn't easily come off. But other than that, this is a good quality drone. Okay, I'm gonna give this drone as a giveaway, so all you have to do to join is put a comment on the section down below, and hit like button and subscribe and share the video, and that's it. And let me know why you think you deserve to get this mini drone. So I'll pick one winner, and I'll send you this mini drone. So see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.